having brunch with friends today.
At where?
At Sadelle. we semi-banned Sadelle, but like it's the only one that is open right now, or like that doesn't require a reservation.
We're gonna unban.
Okay, Sadelle is unbanned for now. Only because husband's chicken yesterday was dry. Right? That's the only reason.
And the steak wasn't like that.
Yeah, true. But it's not even like, it's more of like a breakfast. Hopefully the line is not like super long. It is not. We're back here at Sadelle's.
Do you know what we'll have? So we can order.
Yeah, I know.
Josh is making a latte art. Thank you, Josh. There you go. My food.
Smiley.
This is my... Wait, what's on Cheryl's? Looks so yummy. Josh is having... What are you having, Josh? French toast. Dad is having...
Wow, look at your
Then what
French
are you having?
toast.
Then what are you having?
I'm having smoked salmon on top of biscuit and eggs. Almost like salmon benedict and side of hash brown. And this is good.
Hi! Happy Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving!
Alright, it's filming right now. Okay,
Yup? Hindi ko natatakpan. Okay.
This is the theater. Later. I'm going to watch Cirque du Soleil.
Oh,
We're
it's
here.
so close.
So close. Oh, so close.
That's what mommy said.
Huh?
Actually, the water doesn't come back.
I know. I just protect my purse.
No, that.
Daddy. We're waiting for our table here at Noodles. Here's the menu. Just scan through it really quick. I think the menu is huge. And that's it.
有没有 steam 吧？
Steam 就是这个膝盖。
Oh. Or you want steam sea ba?
Here's
Oh
our
yeah.
dinner.
Cheers.
First time I see this like kind of chopstick, two-pointed one. I think one, the husband said one is for eating, the other one is for like for serving. When you this is the cucumber salad. This is our soy
We need
sea
spoon.
bass. Having what is this again? Chili and sea bass.
Yeah, steamed chili and sea
Chili
bass.
and sea bass.
There are noodles. 真好吃. Alright. 炒饭.
Thank you. Oh,
Thank
yummy.
you.
Thank you.
Your napkin.
So we have the fried rice, the roast duck, and then the Josh's Beijing chow mein, and the fish. Hi Josh! How do you like this place?
It's the roti.
Excellent food. Excellent service.
Look at that. This is Harry Winston. is this one? Oh my gosh, look at this. Right? All sapphire.
Yeah.
This one too.
Symbolizing the gentle welcome.
Yeah.
I see another Louis Vuitton store. Is it the same?
Which one?
There's another one over there.
Oh
But there's
yeah.
another one
Where?
here.
You're right. I don't
They
know.
have two. It's kind of waste of money.
And now we're walking towards Caesars. Flamingo. Those are the old, like, hotels here. That's where Jada is, the Como. That's where we had, like, see? We had lunch one time. Now we're at Caesars. Fountain, yeah.
And of course,
Kasing-kasing. No, it's a statue like the one in front. Look, look, Josh, look at that one, no?
there's a palace.
No?
Those are the emperors over there.
Colosseum Towers. Jada's a restaurant here in the front by Jada. This is Bobby Place restaurant. Amalfi. There's brioche here. Let's check the pastries that they have.
Honestly, Bellagio is kind of better, although I don't really see that. Because there's other spiders.
Josh would like to eat here at Yellowtail.
We can't. We're gonna eat at Noodles, and then tomorrow we're gonna eat at like something special at lunch, and then dinner we're probably not gonna eat at Yellowtail.
Tomorrow lunch we're going to eat at Bouchon. That's a Michelin too.
But I don't know how those stars you can find. Those tiny dragons.
Yeah. That's what Daddy had. The best brunch in Vegas. Located in the Bellagio.
I mean,
Now we're in, I don't know which hotel this one is. Is it Vidara or Cosmopolitan?
I think it's both. Oh no, this is Vidara. This is Vidara, and then the Cosmopolitan. Wait, we have to.
Cosmopolitan is here, yeah.
Are we going to Vidara or Cosmopolitan?
Aria. Go to...
Cosmopolitan is closer, but I kind of want to go to Vidara.
Let's go to Vidara.
Yeah, it looks more interesting.
Yes.
Cosmopolitan is just
Right now we're at Vidara.
Vidara. Lavish. Lavish.
Lavish, influence, escape, rejuvenate, visionary,
Vidara.
Vidara. But like, they don't have
They don't have what?
they don't have casino here. This is just like plain hotel.
Oh, that's good.
Look at the line here at Wicked Spoon. Oh, because it's buffet. Oh wow! All the way through there. See? Oh my gosh, the line is like super long. And there's more line here. Oh, this is priority access. Now we're going to Bellagio. Back to Bellagio. Oh, what a walk. We've been walking for like maybe 2 hours now,
It's exercise.
It's a good exercise, yes.
You see Caesars, Vidara, Cosmopolitan. I'd say that's a really good achievement. Like that amount of time.
Exactly. We've been to 1, 2, 3, 4 hotels now.
Yeah, 4 hotels.
Well, that is playing.